Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about brand touchpoints and how actually the brand touchpoints can help you in brand growth. Now we all have been, hearing this term brand touchpoints largely in context of the retail stores and the retail experiences. But today we are going to talk about the new age brand touchpoints and what are the brand touchpoints keeping the brand and the customer aspect. So when we talk about the brand touch points, it is largely divided into five segments, which is promise, story, innovation, moment of purchase, that is the retail part I spoke about, as well as the fifth one is the customer experience. So these are primarily the brand touch points and how they have been categorized. But why we are talking about brand touchpoints today? Again, it comes with one of the recent experience I had with one of my brand client, wherein I mentioned to them, that if we are doing a marketing promotion or a magazine ad, let's just talk about the brand event we recently did and why it is important, to present that event story in such a way. Uh, Honestly, they just quipped, that it is the marketing thought process and you know it best. But somehow the discussion went through and I explained to them the significance of using that particular platform in establishing a brand touch point, wherein your strategy of communication and design is such that you bring about your brand story, you bring about the customer experience that you created out of that event, and you leave that campaign as one of the powerful brand touch point for your audiences who are going to consume that particular piece of brand promotion. They agreed, and also that is the moment when I thought that it is very important that I talk about the brand touch points and tell you why it is significant and how it can actually lead to brand growth in the present times. So if we talk about the customer touch points, the brand touch points that we can create keeping the customer in mind, they are numerous. Start with social media, online paid campaigns. When you're running an ad, you're actually creating a campaign to a targeted audience, which is a touch point for the people you want to see your ad as. Then the newsletters, a personal email, or the customer feedback, the surveys that you do, all these are brand touch points that we've been creating as a brand and which are helpful in brand growth. Now, why we need to understand and plan or strategically position our brand touchpoints is where the strategy part comes into picture. If you're running a campaign which is for masses, you need to understand what kind of brand touchpoint you need to create, what should be the language, what should be the messaging, what should be the visual around it. If you're trying to create an event for the Instagrammers or one particular category, let's say beauty segment, you need to understand what will differentiate it as a touch point for only the beauty audience that you are trying to cater to through this touch point. If you are creating a touch point which is more around the hiring people, like if you want to attract the right talent, your brand touch point needs to be elaborated that way only. Starting from that messaging and communication that we talked about, brand touchpoints also go till the entire process of branding. That is, if it is an onboarding process for the client or if it is an onboarding process for the employees, you are creating solid brand touch points for the people who are associating with your business. Going further, the customer support team, the after sales response, the customer experience in, absorbing or you can say, or consuming your brand services or the product, all these things cater to the brand touchpoints. That is why branding needs to be holistic. It does not mean that you get a logo set up and you are sorted. If Is your brand in line or aligned with your brand goals? Is the customer perception being taken care of in all the brand touchpoints that you are creating? Is there any gap in what is being delivered in your brand messaging and what is being delivered as a brand experience that you're creating? You need to work it out all. If your ad campaign is a very powerful and youthful message, and if your email response to that campaign is little laid back or slow or not as per the perception that you created in the mind of the consumer through that campaign, there is a gap in the brand touch points you are creating. So make sure whatever brand touch points, customer touch points you are creating as a brand are in sync and as per your brand element. The essence needs to remain same. So whether you are building a wealth tech business or you are creating a digital environment like a retail store in Decathlon, make sure that your brand touchpoints are in sync and establishing the right kind of branding that you wish to establish as a business. So that is all for today, and I will be back with more brand growth ideas in the coming week. Until then, take care, stay safe, happy branding.